And this one is, again, this is the Three Little Pigs. Again, it's an intermediate kit. And hang on. Okay. 2 of them are wearing like little farm dungarees.
Right.
And the middle one is simply wearing a yellow jacket. He's got no pants on.
Right.
Then I have to do him some pants because that's just indecent.
This is clearly an adult version of Three Little Pigs.
Yeah. Okay, so this is
better stuffing again.
Yeah.
And I'm assuming there's going to be some pinks, or are they going to be pinks mixed with...
you've got your finger in the grey.
Okay.
And that's... And then you've got a...
So, the grey bit for the... What, does it make the wolf too?
I haven't seen the instructions, they're at the bottom. So you've got grey, pink... Yellow. You really don't. I don't know, because you want to put them on your fingers.
I want to put them on my fingers, yeah.
Yeah, that's
like you put,
natural.
Crisps.
Yeah. Oh,
hula-hoops,
yeah, and then chomp your finger, yeah. Your fingers. I haven't had hula hoops for years.
So I need to put them all on my fingers. I'm such a child.
Yes, you are.
I hope there's the right amount of balls for my fingers. Yeah.
If there is that the exact amount, or do you need an extra ball from somewhere? Just from a different kit, just so you can...
Too many balls, can you?
There you go.
I kind of feel like a children's version of Freddy Krueger.
If you wreck that nail varnish I put on you this morning, I will hate you.
Oh yes, if anybody's wondering, nobody's wondering, but if anybody's wondering why on some videos my face is naked and others I'm painted like a geisha, it's because it's the morning after the night before and
she looks like
she's had a play with
I need to play. I like to play with makeup.
Sounded wrong again, but so I'm all, Bob Cartland probably.
You look very pretty.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I have no thumb. No, I have a thumb. I have 2 of them, but I have no ball.
There you go.
There's something wrong.
I'll get you a ball for your thumb, you weirdo. There you go, that's from a different kit, just so you can finish off.
No, don't get them mixed up.
I won't get them mixed up.
Right, that's better. It felt wrong then.
Yeah. So. Right. So that's going to be the 3 Little Pigs. So, give me the ball. Okay, so let's have a look at the instructions. So we can know what exactly is going to be. This is the same again. Got some vague written instructions directing you to the diagram.
Are they not that great long body thing again?
No, they're just little normally proportioned pigs with normal. So you've got Larry, Peter and Paul. Yeah.
Peter and Mary.
See, we may have to rename them. That just doesn't work.
It really doesn't.
No. And you've got the Bad Wolf. And I know.
Not the Bad Wolf.
Don't blame me.
Doctor Who, isn't it?
Blame Anchor.
Bad Wolf.
Yeah. And you've got 3 houses. 3 little houses.
Does it come with like the sticks and the bricks and the straw?
It does not, but I've got all that stuff.
You've got bricks and sticks and straw.
In my miniature making stuff.
Oh yes, of course.
So we could even...
If you're going to do it, you've got to do it right, haven't you?
Could even put stuff together and
we should do one of the houses destroyed.
Yeah. Actually, 2 destroyed, because that gets us to the end of the story.
It does. Leave the brick house.
Yeah, brick house standing.
Yeah. Or make it up and then just cut it to pieces.
Well, yes, we'll have to.
Flatten it.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, put the balls down.
That's what
I can't take you anywhere.
I know.
Let me put the instructions down first of all. So that's another intermediate kit. So that's going to be the
You know, these are going to take me years.
Yes, I know.
Considering I only come up, once a month or something.
Well, that's just something we're going to have to change. We'll have to put the stuffing back in, and...
How come nothing ever goes back in? You know when you take things out?
Oh, I don't know.
You can't get it back in.
No, I know.
Even like, you know when you're tidying a drawer out?
Yeah.
And you get, or a cupboard, and you throw away half the stuff that was in there, and you still can't put everything back
I
there.
know, I've got no idea
How did it
that
all
works.
get in the first
It wouldn't,
place?
if you wanted to just put everything back in, it would not fit.
It would not fit.
I've tried it, and it does not fit. You cannot get it back in. It's insane.
Mental.
So, on to...